Oh snap. Alright. Time to rip the spot. Again, well this is my first time today. But I'm gonna do some stick cam because I haven't done that in a while. And people kinda like it sometimes, so. Yeah, you can't see anything on that screen. Whatever. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that's a tight hole. Good thing my battery's fresh. All the room's for errors. Where's this one? These trees?
No, behind us right now.
You said there's people or there's a dive gate?
No, there's a dive gate.
That was a little tighter than I was expecting. People are gonna be like, stop doing flips, bro! Can't even tell what's going on! Isn't there a fence over here somewhere? Dang, it's like washed out. What the hell? My camera was all washed out for a second. Where'd that tree at? Dun 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 dun. These trees are kind of flat and like Hawaiian, like.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, what? Turtle mode. Let's see if it works. Yes! We're alive. And I got shit on the lens. You gotta do those flips into a bank. Sounds like it's. His battery's like, no, no, oh no. Let's see if we can get this hole. Whew. Dude, I'm running batteries so low these days, 1200 milliamps out of a 1300. We're at 14.5, bro. That's typically not where I land, but I'll take it. I usually land at 15 volts, which is not very low at all.
Smoke is soaking up, son, you think I'm done? I've just begun. Giant on the mic, they're calling me Paul Bunyan. Yakking on some perp and sipping on some soda. Tell me that I'm fresh, I'm like, no duh.